Good afternoon. Happy March to you. Erin Koss here from Syte Consulting Group. Hey, so February I was talking with you about, or more directly to the CEOs in our group and the leadership, members of the leadership team on our group. And we were talking a little bit about how it's so easy to just go it alone and not ask for the help that you need. And we also talked about the 3 C's and how connection, communication, and collaboration with other people, asking for help, can really make us better at our jobs, at our roles, in all places that we show up in the world. This month, I want to recognize that we're almost done with the first quarter of 2021, and it's this time, I know for me in my business, where I start to look back at the first quarter and ask myself, are we on target for the goals and objectives we have for this year? I ask myself that personally, of course, but I also ask that more broadly and globally within our organization. And one of the things I've noticed about the family-owned manufacturing companies that we tend to serve is how much they can stretch themselves. They stretch themselves and accomplish amazing and really big things every year, year over year, particularly in this last year and going into this new year where COVID has sort of presented some new challenges. Manufacturing companies, as essential as they are, continue to keep growing. And so this has even gotten harder and been more amazing to watch as these organizations are so unique and special in the way that they can continue to stretch themselves individually and as organizations. It's really remarkable. That said, the thing I am seeing is a little bit of burnout is showing up here and there, and it's not always the best thing in the world to stretch when in fact you start to recognize that the goals you're trying to meet may not be within your capabilities or capacities, particularly right now within these organizations. And so my encouragement is, as you start to look at that first quarter for yourself, for your organization, where you might normally push and stretch and stretch and push, keep doing that. And also consider, where might you need help as an organization to add capabilities and capacity? This is something that we do specifically and in the world we play in with our family-owned manufacturing companies as we help them select and implement and optimize ERP solutions. But it shows up in all sorts of places and in all sorts of special projects that you might be trying to get done within your organization that really are critical and pivotal even to helping you grow and most importantly grow and scale. So consider that maybe it's great to go it alone sometimes, and maybe it's great to within your organization be able to hunker down and really stretch and make do with what you have, and these are great characteristics. But if you're really trying to grow and scale, where might outside help and assistance, capabilities and capacity really serve you as you go into the second, third, and finally the fourth quarter for 2021. I know even for our organization, as we are looking to grow and scale ourselves on a plan to grow 3 to 5 times in 3 to 5 years, which is really ambitious, and I know it's really doable, I've had to really check myself and ask myself, where am I out over my skis here from a capacity perspective, from a capabilities perspective? And I've had to ask for help, and doing that has made a remarkable difference. So I wish that for you. Take a look at that plan for the rest of the year and ask yourself what makes sense for you. And with that, I'd love to hear from you. Love to hear how it's going. Where is this working? Where are you stretching? And where are you reaching out? And of course, if we can be a resource to you, let me know. Take care.